How to implement free gifts on your WooCommerce shop. This tutorial is about how to implement free gifts on your WooCommerce shop. Offering free gifts approved as one of the most impressive marketing strategies for improving the ROI of online businesses and boosting their sales. Finding a comprehensive plugin to enable you implement free gifts in different methods such as buy X, get X, buy X, get Y, etc. with flexible conditions on your WooCommerce shop is really hard. That's why we have decided to develop free gifts for WooCommerce plugin to help store managers offering free gifts with different methods and for various products very fast and easy. How does WooCommerce product gift plugin work? Free gifts for WooCommerce plugin designed with a user-friendly back-end tools for store managers to offer their preferred gifts on their online stores and appealing features on the front end for customers to enjoy, adding gifts to their cart during shopping. Let's try to issue a free gift on our app to better understand how to implement free gifts on your WooCommerce shop by using this plugin. Implement free gift on your WooCommerce shop by WooCommerce Products Gift plugin. After installation of our plugin, Woo Free Gift will be added to the WordPress dashboard as a new item. To create a new free gift, you need to click on this item and choose Rules Settings option. In the new page displayed on the screen, you can start issuing a free gift by clicking on Add Rules button. As soon as clicking on this option, a new form containing all required features for issuing a free gift will be appeared. Let's see what is included in this form. Methods section. All possible methods for offering your free gifts based on it are listed here. The other options in the form will be changed according to the methods you choose here to help you implement a free gift exactly as you wish on your WooCommerce shop. For example, if we choose Simple Adjustment from the list, we are going to offer a gift for every purchase of customers, which is not depends on what they are purchasing or how much they are paying. Quantities and settings. After choosing Simple Adjustment as the free gift method, we need to specify how many gifts we want to offer to the customers as per each purchase on the Quantities and Settings box. For example, let's enter 1 under Get field, which means each customer will receive 1 gift as per each purchase. Then, you need to mark Same Gift. Finally, if you want to instruct plugin to add the gift automatically to the customer cart, mark Auto Add Gift to Cart option. Get section. In the Get box, you can determine which products to be offered as a free gift on your WooCommerce shop. As you can see, we choose Cap under Include Products. That's it. By clicking on Save Changes, you can implement this free gift to your WooCommerce online shop. Customer View. Now let's see how this free gift is implemented on the WooCommerce shop. As you can see, customer purchased a belt from our shop. By clicking on View Cart, as we expected, a cap has been automatically added to the customer cart as a free gift. Offering free gifts on WooCommerce Product Gift plugin is not limited to this simple example. By using various methods, tools, and options available in this plugin, you are able to offer any kind of gifts such as BOGO, Buy X, Get Y, etc. on your WooCommerce shop.